Ain't no way. What the? They committed. They fully committed. What's good, y'all? It's your boy Ross back at again with another video. So I'm gonna check out Audi Bridge Escape. So I'm guessing somebody in the Audi thought, they were Jason Statham, and they was like, you know what? I'm not gonna let these cops catch me. I'm the transporter, and decide to do their own stunts in real life to escape the police. I want you to know, if you're dedicated to jump a damn bridge, hey man, you don't want to get caught. Some would respect it. Maybe you need to take up some stunt driving courses. I don't know. Maybe whatever profession they're in the wrong one, because I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm probably gonna pull over. There's a good chance I'm just gonna pull over. I'm not gonna even try to risk jumping a fucking bridge. But I want to see how this all transpires. Appreciate all love, support. It's been a minute since we've checked out a police chase, but I will say this, as I always do, even if you do have the car that can jump a fucking bridge, please don't do it, guys. Think about yourself, the officers that are trying to get you, even the innocent people that have nothing to do with the chase. Just be safe out there, man. But all right, man, we're gonna check this out. See how this all transpired. That's the sound of the police. Whoop, whoop. He's trying to get over. Yep. Wait a minute. It's not the Audi with the cargo on top. No way. They said we about to go.
Charlie 01, I got him stuck on the traffic at the bridge here, crossing over the multi cut.
No way, bro. No way, bro.
The bridge is up. I'm gonna have him stuck here, hold there.
No way, bro. Ain't no way, bro. Ain't no way. What the? They committed. They fully committed. They committed to the cause. They said, fuck that. You're not catching me, bro. I want to know how the suspension and everything's going, because that was a hard boom, boom. That was a harsh landing. Let's look at this again. What the? Hold on. Oh!
He actually made the jump over the bridge.
University Bridge, northbound, bridge is up.
Oh, shit!
All right, guys, so welcome back. Thank you for hanging out, spending a few moments here with me. If you're new, definitely make sure you hit that subscribe button. I really do appreciate it. Now, I don't want to talk your ear off too much, because I do want to get you guys in on another chase, and I think it'll be very entertaining, a little bit different than this one. Now, this one was insane. It's probably one of the most extreme getaways I've ever come across.
That's
and
insane.
Really, they found that the vehicle after it made this jump, but the driver was MIA. So they're still on the hunt for whoever pulled off this crazy maneuver. But without talking your ear off too much, let's get you in on that second chase.
That's crazy. That's crazy. We got an Arkansas chase. They're going like 80 miles an hour. You can't see it. I'm covering it up right now.
246 eastbound. I believe it's a silver Audi. Passenger car.
Another Audi.
Charles John Sam 9115. Charles John Sam 9115.
10-4. Get out that car, he gonna gun it. Alright. See what this Audi can do.
1037.
But here's the thing, it kind of really don't matter, because they already got his license plate. That's another thing, guys. Like, y'all be running, but they got your license plate, bro. That's why I'm not gonna do it, because they got your license plate. They know where the car is registered at. Unless you got like a stolen vehicle or some shit, bro. They just can pull up to your crib. Hey, this your car? You know what I'm saying? Like, yeah, bro. Unless you don't own the car and you just, you know, driving it around and it's registered to somebody else, yeah, bro. They still got you. They'll just get you at a later time. They got a good distance, though.
We're in the county in and out.
322.
They got
On there, 375.
247.
oh, I mean, they moving. I don't even think I can barely see
Pass
them.
on the shoulder.
They
And
moving.
on 126. D710 Secrets County in it if y'all are direct.
I mean, I barely see them. I ain't gonna lie to you. I don't even see them no more. Yeah, bro. They had to fast forward the vehicle, the footage. I don't even see them.
This thing is making the second officer decide.
Right now he's passing on the right lane. I'm getting back up here with him now.
I mean, look at this.
Now he leaves the first guy in the absolute dust. And so this is where the second officer decides to, you know, pull off and get involved in this race. But I mean, in this chase, but you could clearly see this thing is making way more power, has a way better top end
Yeah,
than
bro, it's
any of
moving.
these officers can really match. So a little bit of open road at night, there's no way you're catching this guy.
Yeah, the second officer got in it, bro. He's already gone, Birdie. Hang it up, bro. I don't even know. You're not catching them, bro. Y'all not catching them. Yeah, bro, they're not catching them, bro. They're chasing ghosts. They're chasing an Audi Ghost. This is the majority of this video. I'm literally just scrubbing through.
And there you have it, guys. Hopefully you found both of those chases mildly entertaining.
I mean,
The second
they ain't
one,
stand a
you know,
chance.
it is just pedal to the metal,
Yeah.
high horsepower Audi. And, you know, the officers, the first guy was topped out at 130.
Yeah.
Second guy was topped out at 150. And that still wasn't enough.
Think about that, bro. Think about that. Being topped out at like 130, 150, you can't catch them because they probably doing 160, 170, 180. They gone. They moving. You know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing you can do. There's nothing you can do, man. But it seems like both of these Audis ended up getting away. So I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't know what that means. Maybe, you know, they should be trying to be a stunt driver for if they ever do another Transporter movie. I don't know, man. But nevertheless, that first person, they said, nah, I'm not letting y'all take me in, and jump the fucking bridge. That's probably the craziest thing I've seen in a person trying to evade the police. Just jumping the bridge like it's an action movie. It's insane. Comment down below. Let me know some other car related videos y'all want me to check out. I definitely will. Appreciate all the support you guys showing on the channel. Road to 30K. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace.